And so as I mount the stairs and I'm literally walking across the stage, he goes away from my introduction, and this is what I hear him say. Phil is going to talk to us about change. Then he pauses. He says, here's something I've always believed about change. I didn't know where he's going. I'm still walking toward the lectern here. And this is what he said. Trying not to change is like trying not to breathe. If you're successful, you die. I went, what? And I literally stopped right there. I couldn't go on. I had to capture that thought. I was fearful that if I didn't capture that thought, it would be lost forever. And I literally pulled my pen out and wrote that quote on my hand in front of 2,100 people. See, we can all learn from one another. Trying not to change is like trying not to breathe. If you're successful, you die. Now, maybe not immediately, but you start the dying process. Why? Because we're not willing to take the first step. Why? Because the initial steps are always the most difficult.